Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for clicking to watch my video today. Today we're going to be making correct buka stew, like correct one guys. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. If you click on the subscribe button, thank you so much. Yes, I'm going to be showing you my pepper mix. So for my pepper mix, I like to use more of Tatashe Shombo and yeah. And then this is my Scotch bonnet. I'm going to be using just two. This is rodo. I'm going to be using just two because this particular one is very hot. So I'll be using just two for this quantity of pepper. So yes, this is my Tatashe, my Shombo and tomato. Yes, so now for my protein I'll be using beef shoulder, and I'll be using a lot of offals. I have Shaki, I have Shaki, I have cow foods, roundabout. I have everything there. So I realized that the pot was too small, so that's why I needed to change it to a bigger pot guys. So now I'm just going to be putting salt and my seasoning cube. I'll be using my no seasoning cube and um my blended onions guys, just onions, salt, my seasoning cube, and then a little, like very little, Korean time. And you can actually skip the Korean time because we are making, like, look how you guys can see how little that I just little guys, that's the Korean. Now the time, just little, and then I'm just going to mix it together and start cooking guys. Guys, please, if you're new to my channel, please, I know I already said it in the intro, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me guys. It will be so encouraging if you guys click on the subscribe button. So yeah, this is about 20 minutes later. I didn't add water. Oh yes, I forgot to mention I did not add water, but this is the water that the protein has, that's the beef has released itself. So I didn't add water. So now I covered it, allowed it to cook, because we're cooking cow food and rich, so it will take time to, you know, I need it to be very soft. So yeah, this is me showing you that I'm already blending my pepper. So this is about maybe 30 to 40 minutes later, but I'm still not, it's still not that soft, because for buka stew now, like anyone you pick, I want it to be really soft, and that's what you should also aim for. So that's why you need to cook your beef very well. So now and I had to multitask. So yeah, now this is a bleached palm oil, but I know that it is not splashing to show shh. But that's because I allowed it to cool before pouring the pepper. So after pouring the pepper, I just covered it and allow it to boil. So now um our protein, our beef is like, not yet satisfied actually, because I think at this point I poured water. It wasn't soft. That's the part of the cow food, but it wasn't soft. So I decided to, pour water and allow, just cover the pot and allow it to continue cooking guys. I think I'll be showing how. Yes, this is me pouring the water, cover it back and allow it to cook till it's tender. So yeah, this is about close to an hour later guys, to be honest. Yes, can you guys see the way the fork was able to just, it's soft now. So I'm just going to stir it and take it off the heat. So now moving back to the pepper, it's already, so yeah, it's already boiling. So at this point I'm going to be putting my seasoning cube, which I'll be using no. So yeah, this is how I like to cook my, like, I like it to, boil for some time before adding my seasoning cube. So I'll be using no. Yeah, I'll be using 2 cubes of no, because I already spiced my beef, so I don't want the seasoning to be too much, so I just used two. And I'm going to cover it, allow it boil for some time, and then I'll come back to it. So this is about to be honest, I think about 20 minutes later. So this time I'm back. I'm going to open the pot now. Yeah. I'm going to open the pot, and then I'll be putting in my at this point I'll be putting in the protein, this the everything all together. So we have beef, there's cow tripe, there's cow food, there's what's it called, roundabout. I If you have momo, you can add it, but I don't have, that's why I did not put, guys. But yeah, so everything is already coming together, guys. So once I'm done putting the meat, I'm just going to stir it. And you guys, I'm not going to put, you notice that I've not added salt. That's because when I season the meat had salt, maggi and everything. So after allowing the meat to soak into the stew for a while, like after cooking it for a while, now I'm just going to taste it. If it needs more salt, then I'll add. If not, I'm not going to be adding salt. That way, that's the safest way, in my opinion. I don't just add salt. Salt is usually the last. If you watch my video, that's what I always say. Salt is usually the last thing I put, and in this case there was no need for salt. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. It will mean a lot to me. I have a lot of videos on my channel: smoky jollof rice, puff puff, egusi soup. Like for the egusi soup, I told you guys my secret ingredients. Don't forget to watch that video. I have a lot of videos that on my channel, guys, so please don't forget to watch it before leaving, and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And guys, guess what I paired this buka stew with? Amala and okra. And yes, I'm going to be dropping a video on how to make okra without potash, and if you are trying to get it to be slimy. Yes, so you guys, if you want to see that video, and please see the video, actually, not if you want to, please see the video after leaving. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And my sister came too. Yeah, this is me serving my sister. She wanted to eat spaghetti, so I just added it. And this buka stew is very, you can use it, you can pair it with anything. So yeah, this is my own amala and okra soup. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye guys.